modern daycare. And if you remember, I showed this daycare last year. It was completely faded, completely dusty daycare. It wasn't in the best condition, but now it's time to finally restore it. As you can see here, I have the blades, the motors. I have changed the downward with a slightly same type but a longer one. The canvas. So now let's start there now. So as you guys can see, the motor is cleared up completely. This is 16-pole coil. This is where great shape. The wires are slightly hard though. But no issues, it works fine. You can see very clean from the inside. Underneath the paint job. Now let's tear down the blade. Same trick I have used like the puller. I have put WD-40 on the blade mat. As you guys can see, the blades are completely torn out. Now we'll let it rest and let's start assembling. So as you guys can see, everything is properly sanded, waiting to dry. Transier is working. Now we'll just wait for everything to dry, do the paint setups, and let's start painting. So guys, before we start painting, I want to try to do color mix to match the original paint of this fan, which is similar to the Crompton Lightning color. And you can see I have taped the logo on the canopy. The canopy logo as well as the motor logo. Because the drawing I have used in the 424 carats is slightly darker, so we'll lighten it up. First, let's go some white before brown. Let's hope there's anything there. That should be more than enough. We can add more if we need. I know first we should add brown and then white, but I'm worried about too much white getting into the paint, so we'll do it this way. Now take the brush and mix it. Slightly lighter, try a bit more white. Need to get the correct color. Yes, now we are near to the correct color. Let's paint and hopefully it matches. Now you can see it's slightly darker, 1% dark, but that's not something we need to talk about right now. Main focus is to get the paint, so yeah. Let's start painting. So guys, it's the next day here. I've left it dry for almost 1.5 days, and you can see it's properly dried now. We can slowly start assembling stuff. Let's start assembling the fan. Just before I start assembling the fan, let me just mention that I've rewired the winding. As you can see, brush wires, previous ones were toast. It's sleeved and covered completely. This one is open because it had to be connected with this, because this is a common wire, comes from this and this winding, hence this. The common green is common, red is primary, red is auxiliary. So now we also have a tension free winding. Let's start assembling. Right, the fan is finally assembled. We'll install it shortly. And then, as you can see, the fan is completely installed. Have a look around. Looks awesome. Let's switch it on. Awesome RPM. Doesn't wobble much either. Let's switch it off. Well, the performance is really awesome. Paint is also really good. I hope you like this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you want me to try more other color combinations with different fans, please comment down below and share this video. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you in my next video coming very soon.